Hey, what's going on, crypto people? It is your boy, The Crypto Siege, with another day in the life and the crazy life that is the digital asset space. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Happy Monday to everyone. Guys, listen, I'm going to rip through this video real quick. This is some interesting stuff, I think, especially during considering today's market, right? So this is your XRP Ripple Daily News in 0 to 10 minutes. Let's do this. So the XRP chart, and shout out to dailyhodl.com. XRP chart identical to 2017 before massive 1,532% rally, says cryptocurrency analyst. I love that emblem right there. Isn't that cool? So imagery rather. A crypto analyst says he's seeing parallels between XRP's performance this year and its massive rise back in 2017. The technical trader known in the industry as Magic tells his 31,000 followers that XRP's current chart mirrors its price action back in late 2017. XRP briefly went parabolic at the time, clocking a 1,532% rally from 23 cents on December 10th of 2017 to an all-time high of $3.84 on January 3rd. Guys, that's like 20-something days. Right, 21 days, what's that, 24 days, unbelievable. XRP hit the mark 2 weeks after Bitcoin reached its all-time high of $20,089, according to data from CoinMarketCap, guys. So again, the nice little retracement we had, cool, a back test, as blockchain backer likes to say, is nothing to worry about. It's a back test. It's nothing to worry about. The charts are still looking great, right? XRP hit the high mark 2 weeks. I read that already. Magic warns that there's no guarantee XRP will go parabolic once again. It says anything can happen in the volatile world of crypto. This could be the real deal, folks. XRP charts looks identical to 2017 before the massive rally, and resistance has been thoroughly destroyed. Thoroughly destroyed. I know I got small bags yesterday. Nothing is guaranteed. Stops are my best friends in time like this. Now, that's up to you whether you choose to do the stop things or not. But in either case, guys, there it is. Nothing is guaranteed. Stops are my best friend in times like this. But the thing that I like is most important is that this could be the real deal, folks. XRP charts look identical in 2017 before the massive rally. And he says resistance has been thoroughly destroyed, which is exactly what blockchain backer said on his video this morning as well. So there's the XRP chart, a little bit of the back test there. That's the 2017 chart, right? So it's looking very identical. You know, blockchain backer likes to use the fractals. Some more XRP charts there. These are from this is from 2020. Wow. And this one is from January, so 2017 to January. I like it. XRP has surged 61% since January 21st, moving from 19 cents to 31 cents at the time of publishing. We all know it's not at that price now, according to CoinMarketCap, 61%. Yeah. And in this world of trading, well, people are going to take those gains. People are going to take that, you know, from January 1st to February 16th, 61%, people are going to take those gains. They're going to take the profit there. Professional traders are going to take the profit. We got to get that. We got to understand it. That is the market. In addition, the XRP ledger just logged its biggest single day of daily active address creations. Think about that. This is on the 15th of February. This article was published. That means more and more people are creating and buying XRP. They're creating wallets because they're purchasing their first wallets of XRP, making their first purchases, and this creates new wallets. It's all single day, the biggest single day in terms of active addresses. And you know, I always say on my channel, they don't want that, right? And so these price rises are going to be significant. And that's why a lot of people say that $5 is going to have a lot of people out. Why would a lot of people be out? Because a lot of people are getting in at 19, 20, and 30 cents. And when something goes to $5 from those prices, they're going to take profit without question. All right, so Ripple XRP recently saw its largest single day in daily active addresses created in the token's 6+ year history, according to our Send Data platform. XRP is up 16% since the spike last week, only overshadowed due to ETH's rise. But if you're talking about a 61% increase from January to February 14, 15 for 16, people are going to take the profits. That's just kind of like the bottom line to it all. And I just want you guys to just kind of understand what's going on in the market. Don't disregard the fundamentals. Don't disregard the actual partnerships, the actual use case. Don't forget what's going on with ODL into the Mexican quarter, where Ripple and XRP through ODL accounted for 7.5% of all payments between that U.S. and Mexican quarter via the ODL. 7.5% of all. That's really, really significant, guys. So I hope you understand that. And there's another kind of someone else, chart people, analysts being bullish on crypto, being bullish on XRP as well. Here's another article. Again, shout out to the Daily Huddle. XRP just snapped a 2-year bear trend. Here's why 2 crypto analysts are flipping bullish. Crypto tacticians are plotting the path forward for XRP. Josh, I can't pronounce his name, Olszewicz, an analyst at Brave New Coin, says the 3rd largest cryptocurrency just broke out of a 680-day bear trend. And the date of this article was the 16th, so that was yesterday. In addition, he says XRP is now above its 200-day exponential moving average, a metric that tracks average price data and gives more weight to the most recent time frames. According to Olszewicz, the spot price of XRP is above the Ichimoku cloud, which is an umbrella term for a collection of indicators that trace lines of support and resistance and track potential shifts in momentum. So here it is. Here's the guy right here. I guess he's on Twitter at Noctum. Above the 200 moving average, 200-day moving average, above bear PF, above cloud. That's interesting. I wonder if this was before or after that back test. Interesting. Fellow analyst Johnny Mo says XRP's trading volumes are rising to levels not seen since the crypto bull market of 2017. Where February only halfway complete, monthly volume is 1.15 billion. The December 2017 monthly volume was 2.26 billion. There's a non-trivial chance that XRP is about to explode. And the monthly, with February only halfway complete, monthly volume is we read that. So this is from Johnny Mo, and he's at Johnny Mo Trades on Twitter. After a rough 2019, the debate on where the price of XRP will end up in the months ahead has been lively. Former head manager and CEO of crypto investment bank Galaxy Digital recently said he thinks XRP will massively underperform Bitcoin in 2020. He says most institutional investors he meets with continue to be focused on BTC. Well, we all know what happened with Mike Novogratz and how he backpedaled on that statement. But guys, so again, 2 crypto analysts expecting great things in the future and really almost the immediate future in terms of price with XRP, guys. So definitely stay focused on the fundamentals, stay focused on the partnerships, the relationships. Realize that XRP is by far the single greatest digital asset actually being used in the real world with people like MoneyGram, okay? People like Bitso. The digital asset is being used. And the CEO from Bitso, Vogel, I think his name is Daniel Vogel, actually said that his business model is now able to perform as a business because of the utility of a digital asset versus the speculation of one, unlike the other exchanges. That is massive. It's a massive statement, guys, and I hope you get it. He's saying that his business model is actually one now going forward positively because of a use of a digital asset, not based upon the speculative nature or price of that asset. And so that's huge. Wall Street gets that. Wall Street understands that. And they, trust me when I tell you, they want in on such a thing. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to wrap up this video like I do all my videos and remind you of this. Old money doesn't want you to win. They don't want us to win. They would rather us remain a cog in their perpetual wheel of trading our time for dollars. They don't want us to play in the same playground that they play in, or we allow our money to work for us. This is our chance to win, guys. The digital asset space is our chance to win. We are in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of man. Are you participating, or are you standing on the sidelines? Here's what I do know, that the battle for you has already been fought, and the victory is yours. Go get it. I'll talk to you soon, guys. See ya. Bye.